Are you one of those people that the recession in 2023 has really affected in a negative way, where like your wage just can't keep up with the rising prices of food, gas, really everything, right? It's just insane how much everything's rising, but so insane that our wages just aren't. And that's why I wanted to help make a positive impact. Well, I wanted to give people the ability to be able to not be so affected by that, be able to take more control of the wage that they're making, and to be better able to take control of their life going forward. Because this is probably not going to be the last time that we're affected by something like a recession. It's probably going to happen 3 more times in your lifetime, maybe 4, maybe 5, depending on how long you live. So what I've done is I've knocked off 15% off a brand new course I just launched. And the reason why I chose this course to launch right now is because people seem to need help to be able to go into that thing that they've already made a decision on, which is making more money. And they just need help to gain the knowledge and skills to be able to make that happen for themselves. So I've put time aside in my schedule for a select few people that want to enroll in our VIP program, where all my knowledge, all my skills, everything that I use on a day-to-day basis to make over $10,000 a month. So if that's something that you want and you want a discounted rate and you want to work with me, just type in VIP in the comment section and me or one of my associates will reach out to you.